Hi all, today's topic is drama. Drama is a form of literature designed for performance in the theatre, in which actors take the roles of the characters, perform the indicated action, and utter the written dialogue. The term drama comes from an ancient Greek verb meaning to do or to act. The common alternative name for a dramatic composition is play. Its creators are known as playwrights or dramatists. The roots of European drama and theatre are to be found in ancient Greece. It is believed that the first theatrical performances arose from rituals and religious ceremonies. The earliest origins of drama are to be found in Athens, where ancient hymns called dithyrambs were sung in honor of Dionysus, the god of fertility and wine. These hymns were later adopted for choral processions in which participants would dress up in costumes and masks. Eventually, certain members of the chorus evolved to take special roles within the procession. In England, drama had a distinctly religious origin from the church as the part of services. It developed through centuries. The ancient Greeks performed both tragedies and comedies. Tragedy is a serious play that ends in disaster and sorrow. Comedy is a light-hearted play intended to amuse the audience. Comedies usually end happily. A traditional play follows a structural pattern. A play is broken down into acts and an act is broken down into scenes. A scene is typically the action takes place in one location. The playwright determines how many acts and scenes in the play will have. Drama has a plot. It is the most important element of a drama. It is a series of related events that make up a drama. The plot of a drama develops through various stages. There are generally 5 definite divisions in a plot. They are: first one, exposition. The exposition gives the audience all the necessary information for the understanding of the play. Then there is the initial incident. The initial incident gives rise to the conflict out of which the play is to develop. Second one, the rising action or complication. In this part of the plot, the primary conflict is introduced and story becomes complicated. Third one, climax, crisis or turning point. This is the most important part of the story. It is the point of the highest tension. Fourth, falling action. The story begins to slow down and heading to the conclusion. 5. Resolution or denouement. The function of denouement is different in comedy and tragedy. In comedy, it takes the form of gradual withdrawal of obstacles and clearing away of misunderstandings, because the comedy should have a happy ending. In tragedy, the story is often finished with a particular kind of denouement called catastrophe. A conventional play is usually divided into 5 acts. The 5 acts generally represent the different stages in the development of the plot. All the plays of Shakespeare have this pattern. Drama is the most active of other forms of literature. It is used to inform, to educate, and to entertain. It has an immediate impact on the audience. That's why it is used in campaigns and social mobilization. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.